Welcome to the fourth and last video of our Open Educational Resources series. In this video, we'll talk about open images, open videos, and other media.
Now that we covered some basics, let's look at some other resources. Also in that LibGuide, you find a list of massive open online courses, and you can use those resources in your class. Just remember to check what kind of license those resources are released under. One common question of faculty is if they can upload articles into the learning management system, such as Canvas. If you're using a copyrighted article, then you should always link to the library resource and never upload the PDF there. But if you want to use open access journals, then you will be able to upload the PDF. You can find these journals in the directory of open access journals, or also if you're looking at our library databases, you see that the open access databases have a little O on the left. And if you click on those, then you'll know that those are open access. But again, make sure that you check what kind of Creative Commons license those articles have. You may also find videos to use in your classes. You can find Creative Commons licenses videos on YouTube, Vimeo, and also the TED videos are released under Creative Commons license. So for my content, before my search, I will type in Khan Academy. Khan Academy offers many instructional videos, and they partner with NASA, MIT, and other institutions to offer personalized content. So I know that their instructional videos are better than some other videos that exist on YouTube. So I'll type in Khan Academy and I'll type my search term in front of it. And now to make sure that I can reuse that content, I want to see that the video is Creative Commons licensed. So I click on Filter, and under Features here, I'll click on Creative Commons. And now I know that I can reuse those videos. But let's say that you know that it's Creative Commons, but you want to see what type of license that is. If you click on a video, and then you expand the details of that video, you see what type of license that video has. So this one has a Creative Commons Attribution license, which is the most permissive one. So I know that I can use this video and remix with other content and use it in my classes, upload into Canvas, as long as I give attribution to the author of this video. You can do the same thing on Vimeo. If you do a search and then you click on More Filters and you scroll down, here you will see that actually the search is better because it has all the different attributions of the Creative Commons license. And I chose the CC BY, the attribution license, which is the most permissive one. You should not choose the non-derivative licenses, anyone that has the ND, because those do not allow for adaptations or remixes.
If you want to find free stock videos that are openly licensed that you can use in your presentations or videos, this is a good website. You can see here that you have different kinds of animations that you could use for your videos, but you can also search for your own.
So to wrap up the videos, if you go on YouTube, you can click on Filters, and then under Features, you will click on Creative Commons and see the Creative Commons videos. But to see the specific license, you need to click on the video. On Vimeo, you can choose any type of Creative Commons license here on the left under Licenses. Now, another question is, where can I find images that are not copyrighted? Recently, The Met, the Cleveland Museum of Art, the Brooklyn Museum, and the Rijksmuseum have released their collections into the public domain. So you can go to any of these websites from these museums and browse a huge collection and look for images that you can reuse in your classes. But also you can search the Creative Commons search engine so that you search for Creative Commons licensed images that are not from museum collections. This was an overview of open educational resources, open educational resources repositories, Creative Commons licenses, and a brief overview of open images and open videos. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of our librarians. This presentation was adapted from David Soper and Litzen Wharton. It is licensed under the Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial Share Alike 4.0 license.